Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making 2 cups of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. What is psyllium husk? Psyllium husk is the crucial ingredient in gluten-free products. It acts as a binder and it gives gluten-free bread dough the elasticity, flexibility, and tensibility it needs so it can actually knead and shape without any problems. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now I'm going to slowly add my water until everything comes together. So I'm just going to continue forming these balls.